Lesson: Impacts of emerging technologies on blockchain regulation. Emerging technologies continue to transform the landscape of blockchain regulation, demanding that governance and compliance specialists remain adaptable and informed. As blockchain technology evolves, integrating innovations such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and quantum computing, regulatory frameworks must adapt to address new risks and opportunities. Understanding these impacts is crucial for professionals tasked with navigating the complexities of blockchain governance and compliance. One of the primary impacts of emerging technologies on blockchain regulation is the increased complexity of compliance requirements. AI and machine learning algorithms can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of compliance processes by automating data analysis and pattern recognition. For instance, AI can be utilized to monitor transactions in real time, identifying suspicious activities and ensuring compliance with anti-money laundering regulations. This technology enables compliance officers to focus on high-risk cases and reduce manual, time-consuming tasks. However, the integration of AI also introduces challenges related to transparency and accountability, as regulatory bodies must ensure that AI systems are explainable and adhere to ethical standards. The IoT presents another layer of complexity in blockchain regulation, as it facilitates the interconnection of devices, generating vast amounts of data. This data can be securely stored and shared on blockchain networks, enhancing traceability and transparency in supply chains. For example, IoT-enabled sensors can track goods conditions throughout the supply chain, recording data on a blockchain to ensure compliance with quality standards and reduce fraud. However, the proliferation of IoT devices also raises concerns about data privacy and security. Regulatory frameworks must evolve to address these issues, ensuring that data collected and stored via blockchain is protected against unauthorized access and breaches. Quantum computing poses a significant challenge to blockchain regulation, as its potential to break current cryptographic standards threatens the security of blockchain networks. The advent of quantum computers could render many encryption techniques obsolete, compromising the integrity of blockchain transactions. Regulators and compliance specialists must proactively address this threat by exploring post-quantum cryptography solutions, which are designed to withstand quantum attacks. Implementing these solutions requires a collaborative effort between regulatory bodies, technology developers, and blockchain stakeholders to ensure seamless integration and compliance with emerging standards. To effectively navigate the impacts of these emerging technologies, professionals can utilize several practical tools and frameworks. One such framework is the technology acceptance model, which can guide the adoption and implementation of new technologies within regulatory frameworks. By assessing the perceived ease of use and usefulness of technologies like AI and IoT, regulators can make informed decisions about their integration into compliance processes. This model helps identify potential barriers to adoption and develop strategies to overcome them, ensuring that new technologies enhance rather than hinder regulatory compliance. Another useful tool is the Regulatory Technology Framework, which leverages technology to improve regulatory processes. RegTech solutions can streamline compliance by automating reporting, monitoring, and risk management tasks. For instance, blockchain-based RegTech platforms enable real-time data sharing between financial institutions and regulators, improving transparency and reducing the likelihood of regulatory breaches. By adopting RegTech solutions, compliance specialists can enhance their ability to meet regulatory requirements while reducing costs and improving efficiency. Case studies further illustrate the practical application of these tools and frameworks. For example, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has successfully implemented a RegTech initiative known as Project UBIN, which leverages blockchain technology to enhance the efficiency of cross-border payments. By collaborating with financial institutions and technology providers, MAS has developed a blockchain-based system that reduces settlement times and costs while ensuring compliance with international regulations. This case study demonstrates the potential of RegTech to transform regulatory processes and highlights the importance of collaboration in developing effective solutions. Statistics underscore the growing relevance of emerging technologies in blockchain regulation. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the global regtech market is projected to reach $16 billion by 2025, driven by the increasing demand for regulatory compliance and risk management solutions. This growth indicates a significant shift towards technology-driven regulatory frameworks, emphasizing the need for compliance specialists to stay abreast of technological advancements and their implications for regulation. In conclusion, emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and quantum computing significantly impact blockchain regulation, presenting both opportunities and challenges for governance and compliance specialists. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks like the technology acceptance model and RegTech solutions, professionals can navigate the complexities of these technologies and ensure effective compliance. Collaborative efforts between regulatory bodies, technology developers, and blockchain stakeholders are essential to developing robust regulatory frameworks that address the evolving landscape. Through case studies and statistics, it becomes evident that staying informed and adaptable is crucial for professionals tasked with managing the impacts of emerging technologies on blockchain regulation.